Hey there and welcome to this quick tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change your profile banner using the Twitch app on your Android phone. Whether you're customizing your channel for the first time or just updating your look, this guide will walk you through every step. First, open the Twitch app on your Android phone. Next, tap the profile icon in the bottom corner to enter your profile section. Then, click on the Edit Profile button in the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap the small edit icon next to the profile banner area. Now, select Choose Existing Photo from the available options. Then, browse your phone gallery and select the image you want to use as your new banner. Finally, confirm your selection by clicking on the checkmark icon at the top right corner. That's it. Your new Twitch banner will now be saved and visible to your viewers. And there you go! Your profile banner is now updated. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tech tutorials for more simple walkthroughs.